Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn.
Good morning again. We are about to start the opening session, so I would like to invite you all to take a seat and please kindly set a mobile phone on the silent mode, please. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Jenny Nguyen from the Institute of Biotechnology, Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology. So I am the secretary of the Cancer Cell Signaling and Therapy Innovation course. On behalf of the organizing team, I would like to welcome all of the participants of the course here today. And joining us this morning, there are representatives from organizations that are very importantly involved in collaborating and building up the collaboration between Vietnam and the United States in general, and the MD Anderson Cancer Centers in particular. So it is my honor and privilege to introduce Professor Sai-Jing Yang and Professor Mong Hong Lee from the MD Anderson Cancer Center, the authors of the course. The Associated Professor Dr. Chu Huang Ha, the Director of the Institute of Biotechnology, the head of the co-organizing committee. We have representatives of the University of Science and Technology, Hanoi, Professor Gerard Gasquet, Director of Administration Department. And we have Associated Professor Vũ Thị Thu Hà, the co-director of Administrative Department from the USDA. We have Professor Dr. Trương Nam Hải, the former Deputy Director of the Institute of Biotechnology. We have Professor Dr. Phan Văn Chi, one of our honorable guest lecturers. So thank you all the guests for the present today, despite of the very busy schedule. And now I am pleased to invite Associated Professor Dr. Chu Huang Ha to deliver the opening address. So please welcome him to the stage.
Good morning, Excellency, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to be here today to officially open the course on cancer signaling and therapy innovation. On behalf of organizing committee and the staff of this program, let me warmly welcome all of you. As we know, Vietnam is facing a rising number of problems related to cancer. There is an urgent need to improve cancer treatment, prevention, human resource research, and education. I believe that education is one of the most or even the first important step to solve the problem. However, advanced courses related to cancer biology and cancer cell signaling have been rarely existed or limited to a very small number of Vietnamese experts working on cancer. For the first time in Hanoi, the Institute of Biotechnology had the honor to collaborate with MD Anderson Cancer Center to host the course on cancer cell signaling and therapy innovation. Professor Yang, Professor Lee, and distinguished guest professor will provide students the most essential and novel scientific findings about cancer. The highly advanced and updated knowledge from this class is therefore will be extremely valuable for all the participants. I also believe that Participants will share the knowledge that they will obtain from this course to many other colleagues when they return to their affiliations. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to our honorable lecturer, Professor Lee, Professor Yang, and other professor, Professor Kamanchi, Associate Professor Lê Mai Hương. We truly appreciate your dedication and commitment. We would like also to show our special thanks to Vietnam Ministry of Science and Technology for connecting MD Anderson Cancer Center with our institute so that we could build up further collaboration. This program would not have been made possible without the support of Vietnam Education Foundations and the organizing staff of the Institute of Biotechnologies, MD Anderson Cancer Center, University of Science and Technology of Hanoi, and Vietnam National University of Ho Chi Minh City. I would like all the participants to show the best effort to absorb the valuable knowledge and actively participate in all the classes. I hope that everyone will take the result of this program to develop further teaching curriculum, the research projects, and to promote collaboration with MD Anderson and between institutions. Finally, I wish our course will be very productive, fruitful, and all the best for you in the course that starts now. Thank you very much for your attention.
And now it is my privilege to invite Professor Mong Hong Lee from the Department of Molecular and Cellular Oncology, Division of Basic Research, the University of Texas, MD Anderson Cancer Center. So please welcome Professor Mong Lee.
Thank you. Xin chào. Chào Bù Sha. I hope I said it correctly. Thank you very much and good morning. I'd like to thank Dr. Cohen and Dr. Shah and all. I want to welcome you all to come to participate in particular courses. And then as Dr. Ha just said earlier, that this particular program was sponsored by the VEF, Vietnam Education Foundation. VEF is charged by U.S. Congress to help the mutual interaction and particularly try to ask for U.S. faculty members to come to Vietnam for teaching. And so we are very lucky to tell you that in last year when we first started the program, particularly cancer cell signaling, we are one of the 11 faculty members who got selected to participate in this program. And this year, they only selected one. And we are very lucky, it's the fortunate one, to be able to get that particular honor. So it is really a great honor to be able to come over here. And last year we were teaching in the Hanoi, in Ho Chi Minh City. So we have about 95 students at that time. And we proposed to VEF that we would like to extend it to the Hanoi, because we learned that some of the students from Hanoi actually took the trip, went down to Ho Chi Minh City to participate in the courses. So we are very touching. And I think that the learning spirit to say something about the student here as well. And the important things about the learning the cancer biology, as we know, right now we are facing cancer. These are the important disease of our human being right now. And as our cancer center, MD Anderson Cancer Center, our particular mission and goal is to making cancer history. And then if you see our logo, it's try to strike out or eradicate the cancer on the surface of this earth. So that means something that we do a lot of important things to look forward to be able to dedicate it to eradicate these important diseases. And Indians in the past has played an important role in this area because close to one quarter of the new cancer drug is done at Indiana's Cancer Center for clinical trials. So our mission is try to really extend it up in the local health care there. But I want to extend the important research effort, education, cancer prevention, as well as the cancer therapeutic therapy to every corner of the world. Okay? So I think that's very important things for us to understand that it's very important call for not just a local people, but we need right now have a global view for make things done. And as we know that it's been estimated probably 1 out of 4 in human population will get cancer in his or her life. So if that being said, as we know that in Vietnam we have about 92 million people. So then you know that estimated close to 20 million people will get cancer in this country. So that's mean that we have a lot of things to do. Okay? Especially I really welcome the young student here, that you will be the nature, our future hope for this effort together. And I was particularly very impressed when I had done the courses at the Ho Chi Minh City. Because at that time when we first started, I never been to Vietnam before until last year. And then last summer when I was there, we were teaching the VNU Ho Chi Minh City campus. And there was over the weekend, because we started courses as well. And I was